Welcome to today's video. And today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Docuware Desktop apps. Quite simple process. First of all, before we start, you need to be able to log into Docuware. So you need to have a valid Docuware system. Docuware, of course, being a document management system, but it's more than that. You can do so much more with it. I'll explain it more in further videos going down the line. Okay. Before we start, you'll see that there is a couple of things that you see. You see document trays, search, this is your file cabinets, list, tasks, folders, and then you'll see that you've got usually over here, you've got your name and your name that you've logged into it and your account, and next to it you'll have a little drop down which you can do certain things on. In here you've got your profile settings, configuration, touch mode if you've got a touch screen, desktop apps, and that's what we're going to work with today. So we're going to click on desktop apps, install desktop apps. Once you click on it, it will download your desktop apps and it will bring it up over here as you can see. And then what you do is you'll go and click on it. It will bring up the install screen. And while we wait for it, usually takes a moment. And this is what it would look like. Now I can go and adjust installation. Maybe I must click on it. In here you'll see connect to Outlook, which is the connector if you've got Outlook installed on your PC, where you can go and actually connect Outlook to Docuware, install documents directly from your Outlook or your emails directly from Outlook to Docuware. You've got edit and send. That's to share documents via email. You've got export, where you can export certain things. That's something you need to set up in Docuware. Import is to import this is files in a folder. So say you've got a bunch of files lying in a folder, you would use that. Then you've got printer, as where you print to Docuware from a printer. I'm going to unclick scan because I don't have a scanner installed, but this is to actually import documents via a scanner. Smart Connect, we're going to skip for now. Then you've got Windows Explorer client. So Smart Connect's not something we really use a lot, but Windows Explorer client will actually create a folder location on your Explorer, Windows Explorer, where you can dump documents into. I'm going to just briefly go through admin stuff. So this is where you do your administration. There's certain things that you can only do through administration. Then you've got your local data connector, which is used to connect databases to Docuware, to import data from databases. But URL creator, user synchronization is for users that needs to authenticate via ID. And you've got workflow designer as well. On workflow designer, you can create quite complex workflows that does certain stuff with documents, extracts data, emails them, assigns tasks, and so much more. Going to click next for it to start installing. This process takes quite a bit of time. First it does the requirements. You'll see that it does have an error, but it's because I'm running it on a server. That's why the terminal server error comes up. Then I'll go continue, and then it will start installing my desktop apps. Once the process is done, it will ask you if you want to restart. You're welcome to restart your PC now. Actually, a very good idea to get it to work correctly. I'm just going to go and click the restart now button and be back with you as soon as it's done. Once you have restarted your PC and you have opened your web browser and logged into Docuware again, what you'll do is you'll go back to that little drop down next to your name and company name. Then you'll go desktop apps again and say connect desktop apps. And it will give you a message. It might ask you if you want to allow it to connect to desktop apps. And you can go yes, but you can see I've already connected to desktop apps in my little drop down. If I go in my drop down at the bottom, my taskbar, you'll see that desktop apps doesn't have a notification anymore, and it has successfully connected to Docuware Desktop. You'll see if I open Docuware Desktop app, so I can click on the drop down and click on it, and it will open Docuware Desktop apps. I've got the import functionality and connections at this stage. From here, I can go and create an import job if it's been configured, but I have successfully installed and connected Docuware Desktop apps to my PC. And I think that's about it from my side. Thank you for watching. Yeah, comment if you need to know anything more, and you're welcome to subscribe if you want to learn more about Docuware.